Hey, hello, bonjour. Welcome to Entailing Tales with Sush. Children are truly a blessing and the world's most valuable resource. When we least expect is when they'll come up with something extraordinary or super mischievous or extra impulsive. Let them be. That's why they are children, isn't it? It's our duty to channelize their energy in the right path and bring out the best in them. Recently, on 26 January 2021, India celebrated its 72nd Republic Day. Award presentation ceremony happens every year for people from diverse fields and for diverse accomplishments. One among the awards are called Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar, formerly known as the National Child Award for Exceptional Achievement. It is India's highest civilian honor bestowed upon exceptional achievers between the age of 5 and 18. Along with a medal, they also receive a certificate, citation, and a cash prize of Rs 1 lakh. Various fields of achievement for which children are awarded are sports, innovation, social service, scholastic, arts and science, and bravery. Year after year, children prove that age is no bar if one has the courage and intent to help others and make a mark in this society. Today, I will be telling you stories of the award winners this year. Stories of bravery first. In Bihar lives Jyoti Kumari of age 16. Awaiting to know what got Jyoti the award this year? She covered 1,200 kilometers, that is 746 miles, on a bicycle with her ailing father on the rear seat. Due to COVID-19 lockdown, she rode from Haryana to Bihar to reach home after a 7-day journey. The next story is of Master Kunwar Divyansh Singh, a 15-year-old boy from Uttar Pradesh. These kids were returning from school when a dreaded bull tried to attack them. Divyansh saved his sister and 7 other children without bothering about his own life. He broke an arm fighting with the bull, but mind you, he managed to drive away the raging bull and save the children. Our next award winner is from Maharashtra. Here lives a 14-year-old boy named Kameshwar Jagannath. He and other 3 boys had gone swimming but could not estimate the depth of water. Without caring for his own life, Kameshwar jumped into the river and managed to save 2 boys out of the 3 boys from drowning in Mannar River, risking his own life. The 2 boys he saved are elder than him. Truly heroic, isn't it? Moving on to the other awardees from various fields, I'll quickly run through each of their achievement. Ameya Lagadu, a 12-year-old Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi dancer, has performed in over 100 programs. Vyom Ahuja, a 9-year-old boy, can play 9 musical instruments and has given more than 300 performances so far. Anurag Ramola is fabulous. His artwork has been given more than 235 awards and honors at national and international level. Tanuj Samdar has been doing fine arts since the age of 5. Or Sauhardya Day, little author on our way. He is the author of historical fiction and is Fellow of Royal Asiatic Society of Great Britain and Ireland. The next two winners are for invention, that too for the backbone of Indian economy, agriculture. Rakesh Krishna K invented multi-purpose seed sowing machine. Srinab Agarwal has invented new farming techniques for farmers. Veer Kashyap, a 10-year-old handsome chap, has created Corona Yuga board game. His aim was of educating and creating awareness about the coronavirus and the ensuing situation prevailing in the world. Namya Joshi, a 13-year-old girl, formed course material in Minecraft Education Edition and STEM. Ayush Ranjan, a class 10 student, has developed 10 Google Play applications. Hemesh Chadalavada created Smart Wristwatch. Chirag Bansali has won various Olympiads and also Design Championship. Harmanjot Singh is one of the youngest game, Android and iOS developer. Mohammad Sahadab is the Indian Youth Ambassador to the United States. Anand Kumar has deduced many theorems. Anvesh Shubham Pradhan, a class 9 student, has received 400 scholarships and certificates. Anuj Jain has won various international level competitions and ranked among the top 1% in the standard examination of chemistry. Sonit Santoshi, a youngest volcanologist and planetary geologist of India. Prasiddhi Singh is the founder of Prasiddhi Forest Foundation. Savita Kumari has won various awards in archery. Arshya Das is 10-year-old now and has been competing since the age of 5. She is the first and the only girl chess player from Northeast India who has received an international gold medal, and she is also a national chess champion. Palak Sharma is a class 8 student who has won a gold medal in diving. Artistic gymnast Mohammad Rafe, 16-year-old child, has won various international awards for his exceptional abilities and outstanding accomplishments in the field of sports. Kamya Karthikeyan, youngest person to complete Explorers Grand Slam. Kushi Chirag Patel has been skating since the age of 4 and has won various events. Mantra Jitender, youngest athlete from India to win gold medals at World Summer Games. Hridaya R. Krishnan, 3 times winner of Shastra Pratibha, and she is an accomplished Veena exponent. Vinesh Keshyam has been given several awards for artwork. Archit Rahul Patel is just a 14-year-old boy who has created life-saving device named Postpartum Hemorrhage Cup that involves exact and real-time measurement of the blood loss after delivery. I am awestruck at his thought of creating even such a thing. I have totally listed all 32 awardees of this year. Mind you, these kids are between 5 and 18 years old. There are a lot of things we must learn from children. They are super cool, creative, confident, and courageous. If you have some interesting stories of mischief or talent or bravery of your kid, please write to Entailing Tales through my mail ID or Instagram in the description, and I would love reading it. Thank you very much. As we are close to stepping into the Valentine month, spread love and spread joy.